In this video, I'll be reviewing Bank of America versus Chase business account. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to look at the similarities between them and then move on towards the differences. So the first similarity we have is their national presence. So I'm just going to write it down. The first one is national presence. Both Bank of America and Chase boast extensive branch networks blanketing the nation. This translates into convenient access to in-person banking services, particularly valuable if you frequently deposit checks or require face-to-face assistance with complex financial transactions. The next one we have is digital banking revolution. So, digital banking revolution. In today's digital age, both institutions recognize the importance of robust online and mobile banking platforms. You can manage your finances from anywhere and anytime. You can view account balances, transfer funds seamlessly, make electronic payments, and even deposit checks remotely using your smartphone. So the next one we have is financial fuel for growth. So financial fuel for growth. Recognizing the diverse needs of small businesses, both banks offer a variety of business loan and line of credit options. Term loans provide a lump sum of capital to finance specific needs such as equipment purchases or property improvements, while lines of credit offer a flexible access to funds as needed, perfect for managing fluctuating operational costs. And then lastly, we have essential business tools. So, essential business tools. Both Bank of America and Chase cater to core functionalities your business requires. They provide merchant services for credit card processing, remote deposit capture for convenient check deposits, and night depository service for after-hours cash deposits, ensuring a smooth workflow for your financial operations. So that is it for the similarities. Now we're going to move on to the differences. So the first difference we have is account options and fee landscape. So account options and fee landscape. So first we're going to talk about Bank of America. So Bank of America implements a tiered account structure with varying monthly maintenance fees. Their business advantage fundamentals backing is a budget-friendly option for startups, featuring a $16 waivable monthly fee and allowing for 200 free monthly transactions. Established business seeking more features can explore premium tiers with higher fees, but additional perks like free incoming wires and expanded transaction allowances. Now, moving on to Chase, we're going to look at their account options and fee landscape. So Chase also employs a tiered structure with monthly fees. Their Chase Business Complete Banking targets new businesses with a $15 waivable monthly fee and offers 20 free teller transactions per month. However, Chase requires a slightly higher minimum balance to avoid the fee compared to Bank of America. It's crucial to assess your anticipated transaction volume to determine which fee structure best suits your business. Alright, so the next one we have is focus and built-in perks. So, focus and built-in perks. So first, focusing on Bank of America, which goes beyond basic functionalities and emphasizes value-added features within their account plans. Some accounts include perks like free business debit cards, free business checks, and even discounts on merchant services. Additionally, they offer a preferred rewards for business program that rewards account holders with cashback and other benefits based on account balances and activity levels, potentially providing significant savings over time. Now, looking at Chase, Chase leans towards seamless integration with popular business tools. Their accounts often integrate effortlessly with widely used accounting softwares, programs like QuickBooks, streamlining financial management for your business. This can be a significant time saver, particularly for businesses that rely heavily on these programs for bookkeeping and financial reporting. For businesses that frequently engage in international transactions, Chase might have a slight edge with potentially lower fees for outgoing wires for higher tier accounts. The next one we have is minimum opening deposit. So, minimum opening deposits. Alright, so looking at Bank of America first, it has a lower minimum opening deposit requirement of only $100, making it easier for startups with limited initial capital to get their business banking off the ground. While on the other hand, Chase boasts no minimum opening deposit requirement, which can be particularly advantageous for businesses bootstrapping their operations in the early stages. The next we have is network and customer service. So, network and customer service. So first, talking about Bank of America, which might have a slight edge in terms of sheer number of physical branches nationwide, depending on your specific location. This can be crucial if you require frequent in-person assistance or prefer the security of a local branch. Chase, on the other hand, generally receives higher marks in customer satisfaction surveys, indicating a potential advantage in terms of service quality. This can be a significant factor to consider, especially if you anticipate needing prompt and helpful assistance from your bank. Now, what is the ideal choice for your small business? Now, here's a breakdown to help you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and priorities. So, choose Bank of America if you prioritize lower monthly fees and higher transaction allowances for new businesses. Choose Bank of America if you value built-in benefits like free business checks and debit cards and potential merchant service discounts that can generate cost savings over time. Or also if you have a pre-existing relationship with Bank of America for personal banking, allowing for potential bundled benefits and streamlined account management. Choose Chase if you prefer seamless integration with popular accounting softwares like QuickBooks, which is essential for your business operations, or if you prioritize a slightly higher level of customer service satisfaction based on industry surveys, or if you anticipate needing international wire transfers and prefer potentially lower fees for outgoing wires associated with higher balance accounts. Now we're going to look at some additional considerations which you might want to consider. The first one we have is hidden fees. So, hidden fees. So while monthly maintenance fees are a primary considerations, don't neglect the potential for additional charges. Carefully examine fee schedules for items like incoming wires, ACH transfers, and ATM usage to ensure there are no hidden costs that could erode your profits. The next one we have is minimum daily balance requirement. Minimum daily balance requirement. So some accounts have minimum daily balance requirements to avoid monthly service fees. Ensure you can consistently maintain the required balance to avoid unexpected charges. The next one we have is online banking features. So, online banking features. Evaluate the online and mobile banking platforms offered by each bank. Consider factors like ease of use, functionality, mobile deposit limits, and bill pay features to ensure that they align with your needs. And lastly, we have scalability. So, scalability. Think about your future growth plans. Will the account you choose be able to accommodate your business as it expands? Consider factors like transaction limits and eligibility for higher tiers of service. Now remember, The best bank ultimately depends on your unique business circumstances and priorities. By carefully considering the factors outlined above, conducting your own research, and potentially talking to representatives from both banks, you can confidently choose the financial institution that empowers your small business to thrive. So alright guys, that'll be it for the review. I hope it helped you out, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the first slide again. You can always go ahead and give it a read through, and here's the second slide, and that'll be it for the video, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.